So welcome guys, today we're looking at the word tussies. Can you guess what vomitusicus mean? If you don't worry, you'll get to discover in this video. So firstly, let's look at the word pertussis. Basically, one day I was sitting in class and the word pertussis hit me, and I got to realize that per means thoroughly and tussis means cough. So basically, putting those words together, it means thorough or intensive cough, and that disease is known as your whooping cough, and it is caused by the organism Bordetella pertussis. Once again, you can see the name of the organism or the name of the disease giving the organism away. So Bordetella pertussis causing whooping cough. Then next, look at the word vomitusicus. Vomitus came from the word vomit, or means the word vomit. So the word vomit is vomitus, and tusicus means cough. So putting those words together, it means vomiting following intensive or severe cough. And you can see the boy here, after coughing, he gets to vomit because of increased intra-abdominal pressure. So yes, be careful when you cough, you don't want to vomit. And lastly, we'll be looking at the word anti-tussive. Anti meaning against, this is basic English, and tussis meaning what? Cough. So putting those words together, it means against cough. So any agent you use against cough is known as an anti-tussive agent. Example, your cough syrup. So yes guys, that's when I figured out that everything makes perfect sense when you know the meaning of the words. So thank you very much guys. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and yes, follow us on TikTok for more. Thank you very much.